It's time for some cleanup. I have a bunch of makeup that I have not used for the past months. There was a period in my life that I used to buy a lot of makeup, and because I was learning, okay, there was a time in my life that I used to buy a lot of makeup. I was learning. This makeup new come out, I want to give it a try. This come out new, I want to give it a try. Gradually, I'm growing older, which I'm extremely thankful for. I get to find my own style. These days, I just want the simple, soft glam makeup look. I'm not really into the bright colored lipstick anymore, the bright eyeshadows anymore. I just like to keep it very clean. And I have a bunch of this stuff standing here. Last year, 2024, I kind of get rid of a lot of the palettes, some of palettes, makeup palettes I kind of get rid of. And I was like, okay, I'm going to give myself one more year. I'm going to give myself one more year to see if I'm going to be using this stuff. If I'm not going to be using this stuff in 2025, I'm going to get rid of it before 2026. I'm not going to go in with any of this product that I know that I've not used in 2025. So we're now in December. Couple of days time from now, we're going into 2026, and I want to get rid of a bunch of the things that I've not used. For example, this one I've already sorted out. When it comes to like matte lipstick, I'm not kidding, these are the one that I have been using. This MAC lipsticks and Kiko, this Fenty Beauty matte lipstick, this red one, I've used it so many times. This one from Kiko, L'Oreal, and this one. These are the ones that I have used this year a lot when it comes to matte lipstick. This here. This is everything I've used so far this year, and this too, I haven't touched it. I haven't touched none of this year. So for me, 2025, I wanted to get rid of it, but I thought, no more, let me just give myself one more year to try them, and I haven't touched any of them this year. So for me now, it's time to just get rid of everything. When it comes to lip gloss, I use this. I use this every time I do my makeup. I use this. I love this. So all of these ones are staying because I love this one. I love the matte lipstick. I really, really love it. What else do I have here? These are all my backup stuff. These are all new products that I have not yet opened. So of course, extra Kiko lip liner, which I'm praying to God it stays. Some foundations that I got and liquid illuminators. I really, really love this one. So these ones are new. They're going to stay. Here I have a bunch of eyelashes, and these are all setting spray. These are all new. They're going to stay. I really want to get all my makeup stuff into one drawer. I want to get rid of one and keep one. Just one. I just want to be one that holds all my makeup stuff. For example, this glitter eyeshadow. Back then, it was fun. I have the glue. Actually, not my style anymore. This one from NYX as well. Not my style anymore. All of this, not my style. These are my eyelashes that I use everyday eyelashes. These ones are like backup. I don't use eyelashes every day, but whenever I do my makeup, this is the eyelashes that I use, and this one are backup. These are like my everyday um products. Whenever I do my makeup, I only have pressed powder. I have one pressed powder from Fit Me, um, from Maybelline, and I have two setting powder from Udo Beauty and one from NYX, and I have this one from Makeup Revolutions. Like I have this one. I barely use this one as well, but I do have. I have one face powder, and then I have this two um palettes from Slick, blush and bronzer. This one I barely use them. I barely use them, and I've had this one for so long, and I feel like this one needs to go. This one needs to go. It really needs to go. This one needs to go. And when it comes to powder, I'm actually looking for a new setting powder for my face, like a general powder, but I have to go to the store to look for those ones. So here I have this container. All of these are going. I don't know. I've used this one personally. I don't know. I'm just gonna get rid of everything. These are all going into the dustbin. These are all going. This I've used it, so I'm definitely not gonna give this one to anyone. These are all going into the dustbin. So it feels so good. See? I need to clean this thing. It's a bit messy. It feels so good getting rid of all of this stuff. Like I have a new plan for my life moving forward. I just want to stop buying stuff that I don't use, and I'm so happy when it comes to makeup. I've actually keep that promise. I don't really buy stuff that I don't use. This year, I haven't really bought a lot of makeup, so I'm extremely happy and proud of myself for that. These are all going because I haven't used any one of this one. So these are all lipsticks. This is a lot. This is a lot of money. God, this is how much money I've wasted. Anyway, it's a work in progress. I'm learning. I need to clean. I just don't like to see the mess. So yeah. And this is everything. These are all the matte lipstick that I use. So just gonna put there. When it comes to foundation as well, this is not normal. I know there are people who have much more than me, but for me, I don't use all of this. And there's some foundation here that when I use them, I break out because I don't know whether because they are not good anymore or I've had them for so long. So I don't use any of this anymore. The only foundation here I use, I think this one is new. I don't know which one because I have two. I have two of the same. So now I don't even know. Wait, the one that is new, the pump is not working. Okay, this one, the pump is working. I think this is the old one. I don't even know which one is old, but I'm just gonna get rid of all of this as well. I'm just gonna find a big bag and just dump all of this. I'm going to the do class one of these days to look for a new foundation. For now, this is the only one I'm using. This one is almost finished. I have to squeeze for my life because I really love this one. This one matches my skin so perfectly. I love this one, but I want to try the NARS foundation. I've seen great reviews about that foundation. So definitely I want to go to the do class and give that one a try. Really, really love it. When it comes to concealer, these are all new concealers. These are all stuff that I use. First and see concealer, I don't really have a lot. These are all new stuff. These are all the ones that I use. Primer. This is where I'm just gonna get rid of things I don't use. I have a lot of primer. This not primer, liquid illuminator. You guys know I'm obsessed with liquid illuminator, but I do have a lot. I have this one from Jeffree Star. Ellie Girl, Milani. This one is so old. Everything has to go. NYX can't stop. Even Dish 2 has to go. I do have a backup because this one is finished. I have to squeeze for my life. And this one also has to go because I haven't used it for a very long time. It has this one can stay. This primer from this two primer can stay because these are my go-to primer. And the rest really has to go because I barely use them. As crazy as it is, I barely use them. I haven't used any of this so far, so they really has to go. It doesn't make sense like just packing stuff just having stuff that you're not going to use. Oh, this is crazy. How much stuff? I feel like when I'm done, I'm going to have one drawer of makeup. That is actually the goal, to have one drawer of makeup. These are my blush. Blush, I really don't have. Liquid blush, I only have four. I haven't gotten anything. So only four liquid blushes I have. This blush has to go. This is so old. LA Girl, this is so old. Sleek, this is so old. All these sleek blushes, they has to go because when I use them, I get like rash on my skin. I don't know. It's so old. This one can stay. This one is still very good even though it's an old one. This one can go. V7 can also go. I need to get a plastic bag. I need to get a plastic bag. Most of these things can go. When it comes to highlighters, ooh, I have so much highlighters, and a lot of the highlighters also need to go. A lot of them need to go. All of these blushes need to go. I'm just gonna dump. I'm not even gonna think about it. I'm just gonna dump all of this in the dustbin so I don't stress myself. So these are my blushes. I really don't have a lot of blush. Highlighters. Ooh, bronzer. Okay, yeah. Let's first go to bronzer. This palette is so old. I barely use it for makeup revelation. I used to love this palette. It has to go. Oh, Morphe. It's an old blush, but I love it. I've been using it so much. I love it. All this ones has to go. All this bronzer has to go. I barely use them. All of this, they all have to go. Oh, I wish I can find this one again on this Patricia Bright and Makeup Revelation. This one is staying. It's also an old one. It's very very old. Yeah, I know, but it can stay. This Fenty Beauty bronzer can stay. This LA Girl bronzer. I haven't used it much since I picked it up. Actually, I haven't used it more, but it can go because I haven't used it. All of these ones, okay, this one can stay. It's also old, but I do use it now and then. And this ones can go because I don't use them. I don't use them. So I only have, these are the four I use every single time I do my makeup. These four. So definitely this can stay. Highlighters. I have a bunch of highlighters. With the highlighters, I'm so scared to get rid of them because I love all of them. Oh, this one, I love it. It's so old, but I do love it. Um, ooh, okay. These Nabla highlighters need to go because I haven't used them for like God knows when. Um, oh, this V7, I used to be obsessed with these highlighters. They need to go. Oh, all the rest, all these ones I do use now and then. All of these ones I actually, this OPV also needs to go because it's broken and I haven't used it for a very long time. It needs to go. Uh, LA Girl, LA Girl, LA Girl. I really use this one as well. So, I love it. I use it now and then. These sleek highlighters, these things are so old. They are more than 24 months. You have to use them only for 24 months, but they're still good. I use them, okay? At the back of any product you buy, you see something like this mini circles and tells you how many. This is 12, I think it's 12 months. I love them. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it for now and maybe I might end up changing my mind, but I use them now and then and I kinda love it. I love it. I love them. I love them. I do love them. So these ones are gonna stay. This one are gonna stay with me. They are gonna stay with me. So with the highlighter, I didn't get rid of a lot because honestly speaking, I love these highlighters and I use them. So the plan is not planning to get anyone any soon. The ones that I didn't use this year, those are the ones I threw away. Eyeshadow palette. Eyeshadow palette. What? Eyeshadow palette. Oh, all of these ones. You know what? For the eyeshadow palette, I don't know if I can put a smile on someone's face, but yeah, these are products that I've used. And I feel really bad to give someone something that I have used. Like I really have problem with it. If we're not that really really close, I have issue with me giving someone something that I have used. This palette, the only palette here I will get rid of is this one because I haven't used it. But all of these ones I use it now and there because they all have this natural like this one I do when I want to travel. If I want something colorful, you can do like a soft glam colored or a pop of color here. So I do love this one. Definitely it's going to stay. This Makeup Revelation eyeshadow palette, I do love them because they are natural, they are neutrals, and most of the things I use now are like neutral palettes. So neutral shades, sorry, I'm saying neutral. most of these things can stay. Yeah, that's it actually. That is it. I have a bunch of eyeshadow palettes also in there that I need to sort out. But for now, I'm only left with two primer. I'm only left with two primer. God so good, I have a liquid illuminators here backup. I do have two. I have this I do have liquid illuminator as backup, so I'm happy. I do have liquid illuminator here as backup. Yeah, I do have setting spray. I do have quite a lot of backup here, and here also I do have some lip gloss and setting spray as well. Oh, I picked up this new NYX concealer. I picked up. I haven't tried it out, but I think I'm gonna try it out very soon. So yeah, these are all the stuff I need to clean this and organize. Hopefully, maybe I will get one drawer. So these are everything. So all of this stuff are going. I'm gonna throw everything. I swapped some of the lipstick on my hand to see if they're still very good. Let me wipe it off before I end up messing up my clothes. But yeah, so all of this, I'm gonna throw them away. Um, Next year, I'm not buying any makeup anytime soon. Yeah, I'm going to buy new foundation and a new setting powder for my face, not my under eye, not a brightening powder. And then I want to get two type of foundation, one matte foundation and one illuminate foundation because I love that illuminate look. I don't like that super matte look. So I'm going to look for two foundation. I want to try one from NARS and one from the this other brand. I saw it online and I saw great reviews. So I want to give those a try. But yeah, this is it. I'm so happy that I'm able to do this to actually clear my makeup off. I'm really trying my best to use everything. Now I kind of find the makeup style that I like. I like simple, natural makeup look, soft glam, everyday makeup look. I love that those kind of makeup. Those are the ones that really suit my skin, and I really love it. So yeah, there's no need to like keep on piling these things up if I'm not using it. So yeah, it's a lot of money waste, but you know what? Like I said, life, like I always say to myself, I always say to myself, life is a learning process. Every single day you learn, you grow, you learn. I'm growing older and I'm learning much more better now. So, and yeah, I'm grateful for the opportunity also I had to like try all of this because you need to learn to be better. So I learned how to do makeup with all of this stuff and I get better and better. And now I'm comfortable and I know what works for me and what doesn't work for me anymore. And I'm extremely grateful for that opportunity as well. So all of this one needs to go. They need to go. Ah, it's a little bit awkward, but you know what? They need to go. And no more buying makeup that I'm not going to be using. But I do need to find a primer. But first, I'm going to be using this. I want this two to finish. When they finish, then I'm gonna get a new one. So now I just want to use something when it's finished, get a new one. And sometimes I also use um this skincare as a primer, and I go in with my setting spray. Also can use as a primer. But yeah, this is everything. Thank you guys so much, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.